Time round, I have added more Nutella and then another entire packet of cocoa mix, bit of spill. And as you can see, the banana is slowly actually just disintegrating, melting into nothing, just a smooth, jolly mix. And as I slowly stir, I think to myself, not many things. Well, time for the actual taste test. This is the final result. Karish, would you like to try some hot cocoa?
No, but I'm hard pudding.
Oh.
Hot cocoa has sugar. Oh my god. What did you do that?
It's actually good. Just the cacao grounds are a bit crunchy.
You're making another YouTube video.
Mm-mm.
Do you know that that's what homosexuals do?